unto all of you. Shame unto all of you. We withdraw our support from you. I will tell you that you are not representing us. Look, it has gotten to that stage when you are chasing a snake will run away. But when you box it to a corner, it will face you. Nigerians, we are ready for you. All of you that you say you are representing us, your total emolument in a year, just 460 members of the assembly. Only 360. Your total emolument is even more than the salary that put together that the whole workers in the country that are earning. So let us state it, that since you are not representing us, since you have already leave us to our fate, since you have jeopardized the issue of the workers, we are withdrawing our services en masse. And we say that from 12 midnight today, in Lagos State and across the whole country, Nigeria remain in total shutdown.